Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm so excited to share these fun critters with you. I had so much fun designing these little guys, and you know me, I can never stop, so there are way more in the collection, but this is all I could fit on 4x6, so are you ready? Get set. It is called Peeking Critters, and look at how cute they are. They are peeking over like a ledge or an edge or whatever you want. And they have talk bubbles, which is really fun because a lot of these words, I think all of them fit in those talk bubble and thought bubble. I've also added in a little heart, and we have fun words like just a little squeak to say hello because there's a mouse. Hang in there, hello there, you've got this, for you, squeak. I'm all ears, just for you, bear hugs, and hugs. Now, Stamp Club members, boom, this is being sent to you automatically. You don't even have to worry about it. Whew, it's on its way to you. If you're in the Die Hard Club, you are getting the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now, I know this looks like 5 dies. It is really 10 dies because you are getting the inside dies and the shadow dies. So you have 2 different ways to cut them out as you wish. So you're getting all 10 dies as well, which is really fun. So Die Hard Club members, same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Also, you are getting a handy dandy postcard that shows a couple ideas, but there are tons more ideas on our website, and you definitely need to go to our website now because we have updated our gallery. It looks even prettier now. Over 40,000 ideas are in our online gallery, so go check that out. But on this postcard, if you look really close, there are more things to add to your collection for the Peeking Critters. So go to the website or watch the next video because you're not going to want to miss out on those other items. Okay, the team, and I'm only showing you a handful. You need to go watch the next video because there are billions more practically. So here is a cute one. Look at those little guys using our fun chevron stencil in the background. Look at that. It's your birthday. Squeak, squeak. Woof, woof. Isn't that adorable? I love that. Let's pause and celebrate. Sneak peek. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at how cute in our window die. This is the Windows to Stamp dies and stamps. Look how cute. Bear hugs. Isn't that cute with our little grass at the bottom? The grass is the grass border die. Just a little note to say, I'm thinking of you. Isn't that sweet? Here's another one just using our decal edge squares. What a good idea to have that little guy peeking out from behind there. So cute. This is a sneak peek, but don't worry, it's out now. This is a stand up. So it says I stand up, which is kind of funny. You're like, what? But check this out, my friends. You are going to stand. Oops, this one's tied. Fancy. So we're going to open this one up and watch this. Dun, 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 dun. It stands up. So it's our typical stand up, but a little bit different. And look at how fun that is. So make sure you watch the next video for that one. Then, oh, look how fun this is. Here is a flip it card. Look at that. Woof. Isn't that cute? And it has a little hidden panel on it. I love that. Okay, club members, you don't have to worry. Yours are already on their way to you. But I need everybody to go check out the website for the other add-on items because the first 24 hours that they are on the website, they are on flash sale. The first 24 hours. So you need to get there quick. Now, if you missed the flash sale, that's okay. Club members, you still get your club discount. Our prices are everyday low prices anyway, plus your club discount. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.